at the mountains up there. Look at the annoying Deepu. More than my annoying brother. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, even more fancy. Ooh, fancy. This is Miss Waiting teaching everyone how to wait. So finally, after waiting forever and ever and ever, we're going to the boats. Jenny Lake, huh? Pretty sick. Ooh, mountains. Kind of excited for this. Oh no, look at that line.
You want to go beyond?
No, I'm fine. The water's actually pretty shallow. It's not as deep as I expected, but it's pretty nice. Look at this bed, so cute. Look at how shallow the water is. I want to jump in. Same. So nice, the pattern. Same, I wanted to take a small off from Yellowstone, but on my turn. Yeah, you can disrespect me 5-year-old. So, Smoky story. In 1950, a tiny bear cub played happily in the forest. Somewhere in the forest, people were being careless with the fire. Soon the fire was burning out of control. Trees and bushes were inflamed. Quick as he could, the tiny bear climbed a tree to save his own life. Luckily, someone called the ranger station, and before long, firefighters were putting out the fire. A firefighter rescued the cub, who was injured and very scared. The firefighter, okay. Ranger Ray and his daughter, I can't read this. Ranger Ray and his daughter thought the tiny bear, brought the tiny bear to Dr. Edwin Smith, an animal doctor who fixed the cub's injuries and returned him to Ranger Ray. Ranger Ray named the cub Smokey Bear after the wildfire prevention character. Smokey Bear grew up and promised to do all he could to teach people how to prevent fire. Smokey Bear wants you to know the fire. Rule number 1, you can only prevent fires. Rule 2, be careful with fires. 3, never play with matches. 4, always watch your campfire. 5, make sure your campfire is completely out before.
Hi, please do not get in the water. It's too shallow. You might die.
No, you won't. The boat is back. So we can finally get on the boat. Amazing. Boat! Amma, right there. Jenny Lake is too. Hi everyone. We just got on our shuttle boat and now we're starting to ride. So as you can see, we just started off. And it said we're going to go around the entire lake. So we're going to go to the other end. And then we're going to go all to come back. Let's see what we'll see in the middle. If I'm right, there's a place here called Rocky Beach. Right there, I think that's Rocky Beach.
Stop showing them the tree. Show them water with the kids and little.
Look at the water. Look at this. Look at how everyone's down there. Look at how shallow the water is. Look at this. Look at how Jenny Lake is. 256 feet. Isn't that crazy? Then look at the mountains back here. Isn't it awesome?
Please do not go in the water. Don't touch the water. It's extremely dangerous. If you fall, you are dead for because it's 256 feet. Jenny Lake is super dangerous. Plus, there is some openings where you can't get in the water. Just please make sure.
Especially keep a baby.
Please don't get a baby here. You have to have something to protect them.
Yep.
And also, this is also only two. And this is the instructor. Please do the instructor. Do not interrupt him. And guys, please do not get up on this boat ride. It is extremely dangerous. And also, it's a good chance for you guys to take a photo. It'll be super neat and nice. And also, this boat ride is only 10 minutes.
I don't think so.
But have fun. There's this other boat ride also called, this other boat ride that you can go on. And this boat ride will let you have a good view caption. And then when you have a good view caption, you can have a really good views. And you can take pictures. This is a good spot to take pictures. Or you should go on the other boat, not the shuttle boat, if you want good pictures. You can stick on. Don't show them the back. And guys, please do not touch the back. There's Canada engines 200. If you see our boat, it's going super fast. Bro, give me, I'll show you.
Down. As you can see, I'm
Please do not put your hand in there. You might get dragged. It's 257 feet. And also, if you touch the water, you can, but it's extremely dangerous. But also good view. And now we're going faster. Anytime we need rescue, please pass your life jackets because other people may need them. Don't be selfish.
See you when we reach shore.
Oh, look at that awesome mountain from the boat.
Everyone, looks like we're gonna go and dock off, I think. Or it's just another boat ride.
No.
Or people just are waiting for something. I don't know. After about an hour of waiting, we're finally back on the boat.
All right, everybody, how was your time out there?
Good.
My name is